LED water bubble wall is used as indoor decoration and room divider for home. Please see the actual renderings for different occasions. This bubble wall always catches the eye of customers at first sight. There are water bubble dancing inside the bubble wall. More customers like good-looking and practical home decorations. Light color can be changed by controller. It looks modern and beautiful. We offer customized service. Follow for more about our products. Please visit our Alibaba shop. Thank you for watching.